Hi, I'm Michael Flores from Physical Therapy Connections, and I'm here to tell you just a couple of tips and tricks for training shoulder stability. It works great for people who have any kind of rotator cuff injuries, impingements, bursitis, pretty much any kind of injury, as long as you do it without having pain. So if you do have pain while you're doing this, go ahead and stop, give us a call, and I can give you some other advice. But otherwise, let me just show you a couple things real quick. All you need is a bed. You can do this on the floor too if you'd like, but the purpose of this is to provide your body with a little bit of extra external support. Eventually, we want to promote internal stability, but for right now, we're going to give, it's like giving your shoulder some help. So here it is. All you're doing is lying down. I'm going to start off with, we'll just call it the gut, butt, and the fist clencher. So basically what that means is that you're going to tighten up your gut like someone's throwing a ball at your stomach, or someone's going to punch you real hard. You brace that stomach real hard. At the same time, you clench your cheeks, so gut, butt, and the fist, so everything is really solid, real sturdy. And what I'm going to start off with is just a little bit of movement here, and this is called the sagittal plane. So it's a small movement. You can actually start small and slow, eventually go small and fast. Faster is going to be a little bit more challenging. So that's sagittal plane. You can do a frontal plane movement. Same thing, I've got a little bit on my gut clench, my butt clench, and my fists are clenched. I could start out small and slow, or I could do small and fast. Okay, and then the last one would be more of a transverse plane. So all this would be is here. That's like a circular motion. And it doesn't matter if you go clockwise or counterclockwise, you can get them both. Slow and small to eventually fast and small. That would be the starting point. Eventually, you do want to start to progress towards a big motion. I like to go slow at first. Eventually, go faster. Now, like I said before, if any of these hurt, don't go too fast. Don't do too hard. Give us a call. I could give you some other tips and tricks for that. But the other thing you can do, you saw what I was doing. My hands were out of sync. I could make my hands go in sync where they're moving together. So slow versus fast and small movements. That's that sagittal plane movement. I could do slow and small, or fast and small in the frontal plane. And then I could do, and these are in sync now because they're moving together. I could do slow and small in sync, or fast and small in sync. And it doesn't matter too much which way that your arms are going. But all the while, I've been trying to at least have my gut clenched, my butt clenched, and my fist clenched. So hopefully that helps. Give it a try. If you do have any questions about it, or especially if it does bother you, or if it's hurting your shoulder while you're doing it, give us a call. I'd love to help. Otherwise, good luck. Our number is 565-6678. Thank you.